Yo guys, I finally unlocked the energy pistols, bro. And oh my gosh, they look so beautiful. And I'm free to play too. So the fact that I unlocked this is crazy. Look at this. If you guys think my voice sounds weird, it's just because I'm kind of sick right now. Alright, let's get into a 1v1 with this. Wait, let me remove my brother first. No, let me know. Let's just enter a 1v1. Okay. Let's just set enough house. Yeah, I might be right. Wait for anyone to get the incident here. So I'm not doing it. Okay. Alright. I got like another skin. What boys the pine burst, and I'm actually gonna crash out. How did I get the skin, bro? Actually, pine burst. Alright. Okay, bro. Let me just lock in. Do not leave. Please don't be a high level player. Look at me. Hopefully he's high level. Oh, level 6. Wow. Wait, you might be a pro. Let's just see. Level 6. Okay. This is interesting. I feel bad for this guy. Okay. A new movement, huh? I feel bad for this person, but level 6 first match. Maybe he's only anything that's just for this guy. Let's see you, bro. Where's this guy now? Let's try to swing him here. That's not using energy pistols, it's not to play with me. This is kind of new for me. It's probably so happy after that one win. Okay, no, okay. I'm gonna lock in here. Where is something? Where is this guy? Yeah, he's probably on. Well, he's not on good. How am I using all of this? I got to because I'm not good at it. He's so lucky I'm using it. Yeah, so like I don't know what was winning, like actually. Okay, now I Okay, but yeah, I understand you now. Let me just use something a bit annoying. Just so I don't know, like, what up. It's just a bit, guys, just a bit. Because I am losing to a level 6 right now. Hey, good movement, bro, finally. Hey. Huh? How? Wait. I'm pretty sure this guy is not normal. Yeah, I was about to say. How did you turn it down? I'm also lagging too. I've just been lagging all this time. Stupid reason. I don't know why I'm lagging. I don't even had a piece of people there about oh, molly, bro. What's this guy? The lag. The lag is insanity. Oh, come on. Come on. Now I ain't losing to another 6 like this, bro. Not like this, not ever. Never losing to another 6. Just go play out. Where's it gonna come from? Come on! Yeah, energy pistols is not a play for me, boys. I almost lost the run to level 6 of this. And I'm so happy I got the energy pistol. And I also want to rank the game with this. So I'm surprised how I lost this. Don't look at flashbangs. Wow. Great tips, bro. My voice hurts so bad. So bad. And Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. Now, from that update, yeah, I got a pine burst. This is not what I wanted. I got pine burst from this game, guys. Pine burst, bro. Okay, he kind of probably could win. It's okay. I just mollied him. I don't feel like the level 6 was better. I don't know, I'm not trying to be weird. I'm using auto shoot, by the way. That's no skill. I'm just not even gonna press the shoot button. Oh, it's blue. Holy cheese, bro. Yeah. No skill, auto. No skill. I don't like using auto rifle, but against that level 6, yeah, that was not what I wanted. No skill, bro. I'm literally waiting for this guy. Okay, buddy. Now I do not regret using auto shoot against you. Stop. Because you use my RPG as well. RPG. I don't like the RPG. And the fact that they buffed it too. Now it does 60 damage. And the headshot does 1.7. Brother, come here. Come here. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I know it's an energy pistols video, but this was good. To be honest, let me give you a fun fact, guys. This was my wish to be loadout. Like, I always wanted this loadout. Well, since I was kind of broke with no keys, Yeah, I don't know anything at all. I'll use energy pistols for this one. Oh wow. Yeah, I think. Okay, so using an energy pistol start run, I do not feel great. I don't know like the energy pistols that much. It's actually good because it has unlimited ammo. Only if you have like good aim and I can good aim and good tracking too. But sadly I don't have enough bullets. And I'm even using natural. That's how you know I don't have bullets. Alright, I'm just spamming. Holy. Like, bro. This one killed the energy pistols. Come on. One killed the energy pistols, bro. Come on, chat. Come on. Now I have 15 kills. Come on, guys. Lock in. Alright, guys. I want 2 rounds with the energy pistols, so. Bye.